Hi guys, welcome back. I'll show you how you can set up a Fiverr account. So Fiverr is a platform where you can actually be a freelancer. So you can actually list all of your works. For example, you will actually create a section that says edit videos with me or something like that, and then do motion graphics, something like that, so that when people click on each of the sections, there will be the clients and then ask you to do what is shown, for example, editing or doing motion graphic works. So let's continue with Google. No. Let's actually sign in first. So click on join here. So afterwards, click on continue with Google. The username will be this. Then click on create my account. Alright, since you're here to be a freelancer, tick the box here and then click on continue. So you're going to be a solo freelancer. So if you're just getting started, click on I'm just getting started and then click on continue, something like that. Complete the seller profile by adding some details. For example, like I am an editor. I edit videos and do motion graphic works, just like this, for example. And then I use mainly After Effects to do motion graphics and Premiere Pro to edit. I also use Illustrator and Corel Draw to, you know, make 2D objects that I can animate or insert into my works. Just like so. And then click on save. And then you may add some, education backgrounds and certifications as well. And then you can change your profile picture by clicking on the camera icon. This, for example. And then you can add some skills as well, like editing. Okay, film editing. So choose Pro, because based on what I do, I professionally edit videos and do motion graphic work. So just like this, and then click on save when you're done. For the education, add it. Once you're done, go to your dashboard or something like that, and then when you're done, you can actually make your services now. So my business, and then gigs, something like that, and then click on continue. So type in your personal info. When you're done, click on continue. Complete more informations. And then click on continue when you're done. Okay. Click on continue when you're done. Click on create a gig when you're done. And then for the gig title, you will actually type I will edit videos, something like that. And then for the category, it's video and animation. And then subcategory, that will be video editing, something like that. And then choose any of these, you know, types of themes that you edit the videos of. For example, I just edit some YouTube and gaming video, something like that. And then like a hold on, you can choose one only. So I pick YouTube videos because I'm doing a tutorial, something like that. And then you can click on save and continue when you're done. I will edit videos. I will edit videos. I will edit videos for you, just like this. And then click on save and continue when you're done. Hold on. Alright, just like this, pretty much. Video. Edit video. So you have to insert some tags as well, with the maximum of 5 tags, and then click on save and continue when you're done. Then you can actually insert the pricing, so that you can set a price for the service that you'll be doing, something like that. And that's pretty much it about how to set up a Fiverr account, so that you can create gigs or the service that you'll be doing to people. And then you can set up your account, your personal information, and the service that you'll be doing, and also the price that you offer for the service that you do in Fiverr. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.